Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to share the best kept secret of nine-figure brands and how they create their video ads at low cost and without the need to pay expensive agencies. They do this with a simple video ad formula. I'm Manson, previously growth at Calm and Cash App. I've tested tens of thousands of video ads at this point, and the strategies I'm about to share with you today, which include a breakdown of the video ad formula, and 4 of my favorite script frameworks will help you run successful, profitable, and highly scalable Facebook ads. Now let's get into the video. So the formula is hook, body, CTA. And once you understand this formula, you can create your own formulation. The hook grabs attention, the body gets the point across, and the call to action tells them what to do next. And this is how you hack the Meta algorithm. Meta themselves recommend this approach where you distribute modular creative at scale. So in this picture, 10 hooks, 10 bodies, 3 call to action, leading to 300 video ad variations. So you might ask yourself, why would you go modular? And it allows for easy remixing because video blocks are interchangeable. It drives down costs because why would you want to pay for new content all the time? Why would you want to pay for new content all the time when you can keep reusing things that work? And the last point, double down on winners. You can remix winning hooks and body videos and call to action. Before we continue, this episode was brought to you by me. I've been bootstrapping Sovereign.ai to help the performance creative teams create modular video ad variations in minutes. And now 9-figure e-com companies are planning their whole production process around it. Gaming companies can't live without it, and it's been quite a journey so far, and it feels like I'm on the Oregon Trail, and I can die of dysentery at any time, but I'm learning to enjoy the views. Video ads can be 13 times more incremental than static ads. And statics might look like they perform better or on par in Ads Manager or last click attribution, but you want to run a lift study to see what actually drives the needle. So in this screenshot here, House did a case study with Javi, a coffee company. On the left-hand side of the graph, Meta, bottom of funnel, this was a campaign with only static ads. Right-hand side of the graph, Meta, top of funnel, campaign with problem solution video ads. And they found that video ads were 13 times more incremental. And this is not something that you can see in Ads Manager. This is something that you will have to run a lift study on. And if you have a data team that can help you out, then that's great, but that's a topic for another video. Now onto hooks. The hook is the first part of your video, which we all know. This is an example from True Classic where they are testing the visual, the text, and the audio hook. The audio you won't be able to see because this is just a screenshot, but the visual is an old man in a red shirt, wife's behind him. Text hook, after decades together, I convinced him to try this. Some hook examples. So you'll see here that they have 2 visual hooks, 4 text hooks, including the example from before, 8 hook variations, and they all lead into the same body video. I also mentioned that they have audio hooks. So they have one male voiceover reading the text hook, and then they have a female voiceover reading the text hook and then the script after that. So that's double the variation. So I mentioned 8 visual and text hook variations times 2. That is 16 hook variations leading into the same body video. I hope I don't lose any of you guys. Next, on to the body, and I'm going to include the 4 script frameworks. And number 1, this is the problem solution script framework, and this is the script framework that Javi Coffee used in their test between statics and video ads, and that led them to see 13 times more incremental effect of video ads. So you start with the problem, you plunge the knife and twist it, then introduce your product. Then from here, you can play around with the script framework, but you can go to benefit, then social proof, and then urgency. What do they gain? Who's getting results? Why should they act now? And this is great for top of funnel, like I mentioned in the house.io case study with Javi Coffee. Another script framework that you can use is this 3 reasons why listicle. And we absolutely love this script framework at Calm. This was one of our best script frameworks. You can get a ton of variations out of it, like 3 myths, 3 benefits, 5 reasons why. Another variation you can do is you can interject testimonials in between each reason, and the testimonial can resonate with the reason, bolster the reason why. So first reason why your product is awesome. Second reason why your product is the shit. Third reason why your product is so great. So now moving on to the other one, a testimonial mashup. And this is great for social proof, and you can just chain them together. So Ashley, I lost 35 pounds in 1 month. Brooke says everyone's complimenting me on my skin. And this is obviously testimonials from different products and industries, but you get the idea. The next scene, Charlie says, I'm matching with too many chicks on Bumble. Next scene, Dennis says, I gained 20 yards with this new driver. Aaron says, my parents aren't disappointed in me anymore. So you can play around with the testimonial mashup with UGC or creators. Next one is a basic feature benefit one. Feature one, this the awesome shit your product does. Benefit one, why anybody should care. Feature two, the other awesome shit your product does. Benefit two, why should they care about it? Okay, now moving on to call to action. You want to end your video ads with a call to action, and this is not as important as the hook and the first few seconds of your body, because if you look at your ads manager, your average view duration of your video ad will be around 5-6 seconds maybe on average. But if you have software that you can do this easily with, why not test different call to actions? So here's one example from True Classic, and then here are more call to action variations from True Classic. So that's all for today. And if you're serious about scaling video ads that convert, you can start a 7-day free trial of Sovereign.ai. I'm going to link it in the description below. Good luck.